Hey everyone, Bradley tuning in, coming at you with another video. The real estate market is changing for the better. It's joining the sharing economy, specifically if you're looking to retire in the next 10 years or you have problems affording your first home. You're gonna wanna watch this video. There is a company that has emerged that will allow you to buy stocks in a property. They're gonna treat it a lot like the stock market where you can have shares and split it up, and it's super cool. But before I jump into that, my name is Bradley Watson. We do these videos every week, keep you up to date in the latest tips and tricks here in the GTA real estate market. So before I get started, actually, you're gonna wanna tag those individuals who are in those scenarios because I'm about to blow their mind wide open. So let's go into the two different scenarios. First off, if you're looking to retire in the next 10 years, this really applies to you because your options as of right now, let's say you want to take the equity out of your property, what can you do? Well, you can either sell your home, but that's going to displace you, or you're going to need to refinance or get a reverse mortgage, both products of which are not really helpful. In fact, they'll put you back a long way and often will lose your home. So it's real risky, but there hasn't been an alternative option until now. Now what you can do is essentially incorporate your property, split it up into shares and give those shares out, and so people can invest in your property. Now you need to maintain, as of right now, 51% to have access rights of your own, but they're hoping to bring that number down the road. But a very interesting way for you to take money out of the property and not have to qualify for a mortgage, no banks involved. Then there's scenario number two, an individual who has had problems purchasing their first property because they can't qualify for 100% financing on the home. Now these individuals, they have the other option, which is purchasing into properties. Now maybe they want that stability in investing in real estate, but they haven't been able to put the money together. Now they're able to buy under 5% of a property. It has many of the beautiful characteristics we find in real estate. For example, you're able to collect a rent from the individual who is lending their portion of equity out. You're able to grow on any equity as a percentage of the property value the percentage that you've taken of that unit. But not to mention the ability to trade that supply, those shares, would be very easy to do. So it's very liquid. A great alternative for individuals that would otherwise not be able to enter the market. I really like this plan. I'm going to share the company with you, but I anticipate there's going to be many more to follow. It seems to be a new fundraiser style way of financing properties. Now the company that introduced me to this concept was IMBYX in my backyard. You can check them out, imbyx.com. But again, I anticipate this will be a much bigger thing as they kind of blaze the trail, and this could be your opportunity to get in the home, get that money that you would otherwise not have had into retirement. And I really like it for three reasons. One is affordability. It addresses that issue. Number two, no banks involved, no need for a mortgage. And number three, welcome to the sharing economy, guys. I think this is an awesome opportunity and I can't wait to see where it goes. I'll see you guys next week with more videos. Take care, keep it real.